Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are looking at what we believe is the best LED staircase light strip with a motion sensor available on the market. The Hapfish Motion Sensor LED Light Strip Indoor. This innovative lighting solution combines convenience, smart technology, and versatility, making it perfect for a wide range of indoor applications, especially staircases, kitchens, closets, and shelves. The Hapfish LED light strip comes in a set of two, each measuring 6.6 feet long, equipped with 120 high-brightness LED beads. These LEDs deliver a consistent and bright illumination, enough to light up staircases or any narrow space where additional lighting is needed. What makes this product stand out is its dual-mode operation. It can function either in a constant on mode or a motion sensor mode. The motion sensor is highly sensitive and energy efficient, detecting movement within a 10-foot range in the dark. Once it senses motion, the light automatically turns on and then switches off 30 seconds after no motion is detected, or when ambient light is sufficient. This feature is perfect for energy saving and convenience, especially for areas where you only need light when you are present. One of the major benefits of this light strip is its battery-powered design. Each strip houses a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, providing long-lasting performance. In constant on mode, the battery life ranges from 8 to 48 hours depending on brightness settings. In motion sensor mode, the strip can operate continuously for over 100 days if activated around 10 times per day. This impressive battery life reduces the need for frequent charging, making it practical for everyday use. Charging is quick and simple thanks to the USB-C fast charging technology, which fully recharges the battery in about 3.5 hours. Installation is hassle-free. The light strip features strong 3M adhesive tape for secure mounting on any surface without complicated wiring or tools. Additionally, the control box includes a built-in strong magnet, paired with a magnetic iron plate, allowing you to easily attach or remove the lights for charging or repositioning. This magnetic design ensures that the strip stays firmly in place but can be taken down effortlessly when needed. The Hapfish LED strip also offers customizable lighting to suit your preferences. It supports steepless dimming, so you can adjust brightness smoothly without preset levels. Alongside dimming, it offers 3 different color temperature settings. 3000K for a warm, cozy light, 4500K for a natural white, and 6000K for a cool, daylight-like illumination. This makes it adaptable to different moods and environments, whether you want soft lighting for a relaxing atmosphere or bright light for tasks and safety. Portability and compact design are additional advantages. The control box is small and sleek, making it unobtrusive when mounted. This makes it suitable not only for staircases but also for cabinets, closets, garages, hallways, and even tents. Wherever you need reliable, wireless lighting, this product can deliver. Each package comes complete with 2 LED light strips, 2 motion sensor control boxes, a USB-C charging cable, magnetic iron plates, and a user manual. The product is built with quality materials, including aluminum housing, ensuring durability and a modern look. In summary, the Hapfish Motion Sensor LED Light Strip Indoor is a smart, energy-efficient, and versatile lighting solution designed for indoor use. Its long battery life, easy installation, adjustable brightness and color temperature, combined with reliable motion sensing, make it the ideal choice for staircases and many other spaces in your home or workspace. If you're looking for a wireless, rechargeable lighting strip that blends functionality with convenience, this product is certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights.